Well, it's Friday, and that means it's time for another update on Watersafe Swim School, Long Beach.
With our architect on site this week, we're able to discuss the finer details of our reception desk, our bathrooms, changing rooms, changing tables, and our showers. Watersafe was founded in 1977. Over the past 47 years, we've learned quite a bit about what it takes to create a safe, inclusive, and comfortable environment for all of our guests. And we're putting that all into action at our Long Beach location. From infant seats in the restrooms, to anti-microbial changing areas, and accessible walkways and seating, we can't wait to see it all come together. And while this was a short week, our crews worked extra hard to get ready for the first foundation pouring next week. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to follow us on social media and check our website for the latest construction photos and videos. We'll see you soon.